Okay, today we will discuss about how to draw isometric circles and isometric curves. Okay, isometric circles and isometric curves. Here we have a diagram. This is top view and this is front view. Okay, in 2D projection we are directly draw this curve and directly draw this circle, but in 3D projection, in 3D isometric view, we have 30 degrees angle. Okay, we have 30 degrees angle for 3D object. Okay, that's why we have to follow some method to draw isometric circles or isometric curves. We are unable to draw directly. Okay, we are unable to draw directly these curves and these circles in 3D projection. That means isometric projection. For this projection we have a procedure how to draw isometric circle. We have procedure for 4 center method. Okay, this is 30 mm angle for isometric projection. Okay, if you want to draw, if you want to draw 40 mm circle, we have to follow this procedure. Okay, we have to follow procedure. This is 30 degrees angle and this is isometric projection. Okay, then we have to draw a 40 mm circle. Before that we have to draw a 40 mm square. Okay, 40 mm dia square, 40 mm dia circle means we have to draw 40 mm side square. Okay, 40 mm side square for 40 mm or 50 mm. Let's take, we have to draw a 50 mm circle. Let's draw 50 mm. Okay, 50 mm square. First of all you have to draw a 50 mm square and 30 degrees angle. That means isometric projection. Okay, that means isometric projection. You have to draw a 50 mm square. Okay, 50 mm square. Okay, okay, this is a 50 mm square for 50 mm circle. Okay, for draw for 50 mm circle. That means in 30 degrees angle this square is looks like a parallelogram. Okay, this square is looks like a parallelogram. Okay, then when we rotate circle with some an angle, the circle looks like an ellipse. Okay, the circle looks like an ellipse. Okay, here we have this corner and this intersection, this corner. Okay, this corner and this corner. Okay, joint from this corner, draw line to opposite line midpoint. Okay, opposite line midpoint. Okay, this is 50 mm, this is 50 mm. That means here we have 25 mm midpoint. The next, this is 50 mm and here we have 25 mm midpoint, 25 mm midpoint, and for this line we have 25 mm, and for this line also 25 mm. From this corner draw the lines for opposite side. Okay, draw the lines for opposite side midpoint. Okay, from this corner draw the lines for opposite, draw the lines for opposite midpoint. Okay, opposite side midpoint, and opposite corner, from opposite corner draw the lines for this opposite side midpoint. Okay, draw the line for this opposite side midpoint. Okay, opposite side midpoint. Okay, okay, and the next we have these two intersection point. Okay, we have two intersection point. This is I1. Okay, this is I2. Okay, with help of your compass, with help of your compass to draw isometric circle. That means when we rotate, when we rotate a circle, when we rotate a circle with 30 degrees angle, the circle looks like an ellipse. Okay, from I1 point. Okay, from I1 point to this end corner distance, draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc. Okay, let's this distance, draw an arc. okay, from this corner to only when it meets this, okay, this, okay, and the next one from this corner to up to this when it meets this corner, okay. The next one we have these two corners, okay, these two corners from this first corner to this opposite midpoint, okay, this opposite midpoint, draw an arc, okay, from this opposite midpoint draw an arc, okay, when it meets this arc, okay. The next one, here one we have this corner, okay, okay, from this opposite midpoint, okay, from opposite midpoint draw an arc when it meets this, okay. Let's see, we will get okay, let's see, we get this ellipse, okay, this is ellipse in isometric projection, okay. In isometric projection, when we rotate a circle with 30 degrees angle, the circle looks like this type, okay. This is 50 mm dia circle is just an example, okay. This is I1 interaction point 1, this is I2, this is C1 and this C2, okay. This is a process to draw isometric circle or isometric curve, okay. When we want to draw curve, just we have to draw this midpoint to midpoint of circle point, okay. The next we want to draw this only this point, this corner edge point, we want to draw this I2 point and this corner this I1 point, okay. The next corner 1 point and corner 2 point. This is the process to draw a circle in isometric projection, okay. 2D projection to isometric projection, we have to, with this is the process to draw. If we have 4 point, okay, this is I1 and I2, this is C1 and C2, we have 4 points here, okay. We have 4 hands here, that's why this method is called 4 center method, okay. This is 4 center method, this is 4 center method. This is the easiest process to draw isometric curves and isometric circles, okay. Remember this procedure, okay. This is front view of a object and this is top view of a object, okay. We have to merge these two objects and we have to draw a 3D object, okay. This is front view and this is top view. Here we have half circle here, this means half circle, that means here we have isometric circle and isometric curve, okay. Then we have to know how to draw isometric circles, okay. This is a isometric 3D object of this 2D, okay, of this merging 2D. This is 3D object. Next we have to draw this half circle, the next this fillet, okay. This means here we have cutting with the object cutting with some radius with an edge, okay. This is called as a fillet, okay. We have to draw a fillet, okay. Next, I have already told you this is the 4 center method to draw isometric circle, okay. In diagram we have only fillet, okay. Fillet from midpoint to this midpoint, okay. Fillet from this midpoint to midpoint, okay. Let's see the fillet only this midpoint to this midpoint with 30 radius, okay, from this point, okay. Only from this point, from this midpoint to this midpoint, okay. This midpoint to this midpoint, okay. The fillet lies in this square, okay. This is, we consider square. Here we have, this is total length is 40, total length is 40. The next total length of the object is 40, okay. This is the remaining is, this is 10 and this is 30 and this is 10. We lost 50. only 50, and this is 50, this is 50, 50. Okay, we have 50 square box. Okay, 50 50 side square box. And the next, let this let this is a 50 side square box. Okay, 50 side square box. Only we have to draw fillet from midpoint, this midpoint to this midpoint. That means in this 3D diagram, we have to draw this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, the final from starting point is this point, this point. Okay, this point, from this midpoint to we have to draw midpoint to midpoint. We are get fillet. Okay, we get fillet. Okay, that's why we have to follow this procedure. Okay, this is a slit, this is a 50 mm square box, and we have to draw only this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, we are unable to, we don't need not to draw this total ellipse. Only in 2D projection, only in 3D projection, only we have only this fillet. Okay, midpoint to midpoint, this is let, this is a total square, and the next we have to draw midpoint to midpoint. Okay, we have to find out square in this 3D section, okay. I will tell you how to find out the square section. Okay, observe carefully, okay, observe carefully. Let from this point measure 50 mm. Okay, measure 50 mm. Okay, this is 50 mm point. Okay, the next find out midpoint, this is 25 mm point, and the next from this side measure 50 mm and find out 25 mm point. Okay, the next, this is, we completed this 50 and this 50. That means we draw this side and this side. We have to find out this corner point. Okay, we have to find out this corner point. That means the square side is 50 mm. Okay, 50 mm. That means from this 50 mm, okay, from this 50 mm measure a 50 mm square distance. Okay, we are find out this point. Okay, this is a point to draw fillet of this object. Okay, to draw fillet of this object, this is a point. Okay, put your compass here, let midpoint to this midpoint, draw fillet or draw curve this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, let it's completes. Okay, it's completed. This is the process to draw. That means this is the corner point. Okay, this is the corner point. We drawn from this corner point to midpoint to midpoint, same the process, this corner point to midpoint. This corner point is nothing but this corner point of a circle. Let's you imagine. Okay, this is 25 to 25, this is midpoint to midpoint, that means 30 radius. Forget the radius, only we have to draw fillet for this 50 mm squares. Okay, 50 mm square. Okay, the square corner point, this is square corner point, this is invisible. Because why? Because we have a 3D object here. Okay, we have, when you extend this line, you will get from this point, you will get the corner here. We have, then we find out, we drawn this point. Okay, the next, this height of this object is 10 mm. Okay, this only, this plate is 10 mm, total height is 50 mm, only this plate is 10 mm. Okay, from this point measure the height. Okay, measure the height from this point. Okay, 10 mm, measure the 10 mm distance. Okay, measure 10 mm distance. This is second corner point. For this below point, okay, for this below fillet, this is above fillet for this and below fillet for this. Find out, let's find out midpoint of this below fillet. Okay, below point. Okay, let's find out midpoints. Okay, this is 0 and this is 25. Okay, this is 25, and the next, this is 50 and this is 25. Okay, the next, from this point as center, from this point as center, this point to this point. Let's draw an arc from this point, midpoint to here, that's midpoint of square, below square to midpoint of this square. Okay, the next we drawn this fillet. Okay, the fillet part is completed. The next we have to draw this, we have to draw this radius. Okay, this half circle, we have to draw this half circle. Okay, observe carefully, this half circle is 30 mm dia. Okay, 30 mm dia, 15 mm radius. Okay, we have to draw a 30 mm radius. Okay, 30 mm square box here. Okay, we have to draw a 30 mm square box here. Okay, let's draw a 30 mm square box. Okay, let's draw. Okay, let's draw a 50 mm square box. That means 15 mm radius and 30 mm dia. That we draw a square box with 30 dia. Okay, 1 point from this height. Okay, 1 point from height and 1.5 for down. Okay, why? Because it's a circle, it's a 1.5 mm and 1.5 mm. Okay, just imagine your imaginary purpose. Okay, if you want to draw freehand, just you are able to draw freehand. Okay, okay, let's find out these points midpoint. Okay, here we have 15 mm. Okay, this is 15 mm point. Okay, the next you have to find out midpoint here. Okay, you have to find out midpoint here. Okay, from this corner. Okay, from this corner, opposite midpoint to opposite midpoint. Okay, opposite midpoint to opposite midpoint. Okay, opposite midpoint to okay, this opposite midpoint to opposite midpoint. And the next one we have to find out to draw this. Okay, let's see carefully. Just we drawn from this corner to midpoint, either remaining is this, either remaining is this point. Okay, either remaining is we have to draw this point. Okay, this point to this point. Okay, the next here we have joint this corner to midpoint to a line, this line, this corner to midpoint. Okay, this corner to midpoint. Okay, just you find out this is a 3D this is 30 mm and this is 15 mm. Okay, draw a line. Okay, okay, draw a line. The next from opposite corner to this corner. Okay, opposite corner to this corner, this line. Okay, draw a line. Okay, draw a line. Okay, we will get a intersection point. Okay, we get an intersection point. Thus intersection point means that this is the intersection point from this corner to opposite midpoint and this corner to opposite midpoint. Okay, this corner to opposite midpoint and this corner to opposite midpoint. Okay, from this intersection point, okay, you are able to draw this arc. Okay, you are able to draw this arc up to when it's reached this. Okay, this is a half circle. Okay, you will get half circle, then erase it. Okay, then erase. Okay, this is a half circle you have to draw. Okay, this is your half circle. Okay, this is your half circle. Okay, this is the process to draw a half circle or a curve in 3D object. Next we have to complete this point. Okay, you have to complete that corner point. Okay, the next we have to find out this center point 1.5 1.5. Okay, why means this is a 30 mm dia, we have to draw a 30 mm square. Okay, the next here we have from this point to this point. Okay, just we have to draw only 1.5 mm line. Why? Because here we have a 3D object. Okay, the next one from 30 point, from 30 point. Okay, this is 30. The next one from height, measuring height, then find out next corner. This is the corner. Okay, this is the corner of 30 mm circle. Okay, just we have to draw from this point to this point. Okay, okay, from this point is the center. The next this point, from this point as a radius, just you have to draw a half circle. Okay, just you have to draw a arc. It's not half circle, just arc. Okay, just arc. Okay, this is your remaining arc. Okay, this is your remaining arc. Okay, just we have completed this arc and this half circle and fillet. Okay, let's thick this section. Okay, let's thick these sections, you will get clarity. Okay, okay, when you join this thicker lines, okay, this thicker lines, let's erase this edges. Okay, let's erase this edges, this pencil edges. You will get a 3D object with circles and with circles. Okay, here we have half circle, the next here we have fillet. Okay, half circle and fillet, and remaining is one circle. Okay, remaining one circle. Okay, remaining is this circle. Then next we have to draw the circle. Okay, here we have 50 mm radius from this point. Okay, okay, the circle is in, this is midpoint. Okay, in 50 mm, this 25 mm is midpoint. In this 50 mm, in this 50 mm, this 25 mm is midpoint. Okay, from midpoint parallel to this width line, parallel to this width line, draw a line. Okay, with dotted. The next parallel to this length line, parallel to this length line, from this midpoint draw a line. Okay, this is the center of the circle. Okay, the next we have to draw a square from the center. Okay, the total dia is 20 mm dia, okay, 20 mm dia. Here we have either remaining is 10 from center, from 10 from center, okay, and parallel to this line 10 and 10, okay. Let's join these points, okay. Let join these points. Let's draw a square, okay. Let's draw a square from the point, okay, from 1. Here we have 10 and 10, okay. From this point we have 10 and here we have 10, okay. The next join these corners, okay. We will get a square, okay, the square, okay. Same remaining, repeat this procedure, okay. Repeat this procedure, this 4-centric procedure for this circle also, okay. For repeat 4-centric procedure means from this corner to opposite midpoint and opposite here, opposite midpoint, okay. Opposite midpoint and opposite midpoint, okay. Opposite midpoint and here opposite midpoint, okay. The next, this from this corner draw the opposite midpoint, draw the line for opposite midpoint. Then next from this point to opposite midpoint, okay. With your compass from this intersection, okay. This is too small, don't confuse, okay. From this corner to, okay, from this corner to this corner, okay. From this corner to this corner, okay. And the next from this corner to this corner, okay. The next from this center to this opposite corner to midpoint, okay. Opposite corner to midpoint, okay. The next from this opposite corner to this midpoint to this midpoint, okay. The next, let's take this circle, okay. Let's take this circle, okay. Just erase this square, okay. Just erase this square. Let's see, this is circle, okay. This is a 3D object you have in the question, okay. Here we have fillet, here we have fillet, the next circle, and the next this half circle, okay. This half circle, okay. The next, once again remember this process. Draw with 30 degrees angle a square, okay. It's look like parallelogram. Now from one corner draw lines for opposite side midpoint, and from this corner draw lines for opposite line midpoint, and the next from intersection point draw this arc, this intersection point draw this arc, and the next from corner point to this midpoint to this midpoint, and the next this corner point to opposite midpoint to opposite midpoint. This is the process to draw isometric circles and isometric curves in 3D projection or isometric projection. Thank you.